Want to make free money while trading on MEXC? Then let me show you how to claim and use your futures bonus to maximize your profits. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to claim and check your futures bonus on your MEXC app. If you're looking to take advantage of free rewards to boost your trading, then this video is just for you. I'll also be doing a separate video for the website tutorial. In this video, I'll focus entirely on how to navigate on the MEXC app to claim and check your futures bonus. Also, I have a giveaway coming up. Just join my Telegram community. If you haven't joined yet, just click the link in the description box down below and I'll be posting the mechanics there soon. So stay tuned, guys. Now, the first thing that I'll be teaching you guys is how to obtain your futures bonus on the MEXC app. So first things first, open your MEXC app. So the next thing that we're gonna do is tap on the M-Day shortcut on your main menu and then tap Quick Register to sign up for the event. And then trade during the event period and meet the required conditions, and then check the M-Day page after the event ends to see if you've received a futures bonus. Okay guys, so the next thing that we're gonna do is to check our futures balance in our MEXC app. So the first thing that we're gonna do is to click wallet at the bottom of the page and then click futures to check if we have received our futures bonus. Okay, so here are some key things to remember about your futures bonus. Okay, so the bonus is only for futures trading. It cannot be withdrawn or transferred. You can use it as margin and to offset trading fees and funding fees. Also, bonuses have a validity, usually 15 days, so make sure to use them before they expire. And any profits made from trading with the bonus can be withdrawn. The MEXC future bonus is a great way to boost your trading without extra capital. And by participating on events like M-Day, you can take advantage of these bonuses to maximize your trading opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about MEXC futures bonus. Also, if you haven't registered to your MEXC account, just click the link in the description box down below to sign up and start trading today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!